Hello guys, back with another YouTube video with my daughter A-Ray Life. We about to do a glueless install. Okay, so I already molded the hair last night. This is how I like to prep my wigs before any install, glue or glueless. So that's it right here, right? So let's get right into it.
I'm growing my locks underneath.
Oh yeah, we started her locks. She's on her lock journey. So we're just gonna do a quick little install.
I'm back. A Real Life is back.
So guys, we're doing a temporary hold, so it's not a permanent hold. We're gonna be using the raw hold hair foam, and it's gonna melt. I mean, she's already looking melted, right? So it's about to do some magic right now. So let's do this. You don't use a lot. A little goes a long way. Then we're gonna blow dry it. If you want to, you could just put a band and put the person under the dryer. But because we're doing a quick one, we're gonna blow dry her. And I could still put the band afterwards. Her baby hair soft, so instead of using the got to be glue spray, this is perfect. And then this is not harsh on your edges either, so it won't be pulling your hair out.
Mama, it's just the size she does. That means she's really trying to grab you. She's like, you're in my way, mama.
See the melt. Okay, do not skip this step. It's very important. So now that that's holding it, now I'm gonna do my ponytail. If I wanted to, I could have used a hot comb to really soften it up, but because this is curly hair, I kind of want the hair to look like one texture, so I'm not gonna do that. So it's gonna kind of look wavy. How you want the ponytail? Like you want it to be spread out?
Mm-hmm.
guys see what that mousse do? The wig in this color.
It's a Lily's, well, Liliana Michelle Cole wig.
So I'm gonna wrap it around the rubber band. It is very easy to do a ponytail as long as you mold the ponytail before the actual install. Once you do that, it's easier to do the ponytail. It's not that difficult at all. So it is just that simple, you guys. Just that simple. Thank you for watching. Please comment, subscribe, like, and share this video, and let me know what you think about this. This was flawless, as you could see. What lace? Nowhere. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.